Hi, good afternoon. So next type examples on Laplace transform. So type 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿನಿ just ಮೂರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು ನಾನು ಎರಡು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಿದೆ 0 to t ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ಟಿ ಟಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಟಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ example, third example, f of t is equal to t quotient, right? This purely based on periodic function because of this given data. To solve these examples by using statement of periodic function of Laplace transform, right? So first example solution. Given function in quotient barkobeku. Given function is f of t is equal to k by p into t. So I can write k by p into t barkodini, right? So over the range is 0 to t, it is less than p, it is exactly 0 less than t, it is period is 0 to t period. Therefore t is equal to pi. To solve this, we know the formula for Laplace transform of periodic function f of t is equal to, so 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of st integration of 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t dt. Isn't it? So what is function f of t? K by p is constant with respect into t, right? So put f of t is equal to k by p into t. Here k by p is a constant, take it outside because of derivative is dt. dt ಯಾವದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So what is t in terms of p? I can replace, put t is equal to p. So changes 0 to p. So next, that equal to 1 divided by, so k divided by p, so into 1 minus of e raised to minus of sp, so into integration of 0 to p e raised to minus of st into t into dt. Apply Eilert form. Eilert form. Exponential is the second function, it is first function, no reverse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. So u into v form, right? So that equal to k divided by p into 1 minus of e raised to minus of sp, so into, so first function as it is, integration of second function e raised to minus of st divided by minus s, range is 0 to p minus of integration of 0 to p, so integration of second function as it is divided by this into differentiation of first function is 1 into dt, right? So this one complete. So then simplify this, k divided by p into 1 minus of e raised to minus of sp. So bracket complete. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit in terms of t in terms of p. So p into e raised to minus of sp divided by minus s, minus of minus plus, t is equal to 0, it is 0. So minus into minus, it is plus 1 by s. Okay. Minus it is plus 1 by s. Integration of e raised to minus of st e raised to minus of st divided by minus of s. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So whole bracket. So then keep this term as it is. So p into e raised to minus of sp divided by minus s. So plus 1 divided by s. Bracket, substitute upper limit minus lower limit e raised to minus of sp divided by minus s, minus plus e raised to 0 divided by s. So bracket complete. Then simplify. Keep this term as it is. K divided by p into 1 minus of e raised to minus of sp. So into p into e raised to minus of sp divided by minus s plus into minus e raised to minus of sp divided by s square. So plus 1 by s square. So this is the answer. Similarly, second example, third example, right? So next example, second one, given function ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ e raised to minus t, range is 0 to t, it is less than 2, 0 less than t, it is less than t, capital T. Therefore t is equal to 2, right? So apply definition of periodic function. So Laplace of f of t, so that equal to 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of st, 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t. So it is a dt, isn't it? What is f of t? Substitute. It is e raised to minus t. So what is period at t? T is equal to 2. So put under 2s 0 to 2, right? So that is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of 2s 0 to 2. If the bases are same, adding the powers e raised to minus s plus 1 into t into dt, isn't it? So that equal to 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of 2s. So integrate this e raised to minus of s plus 1 into t divided by s plus 1 minus. So 0 to 2, right? Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Simplify 1 minus of e raised to minus of 2s. So into substitute upper limit minus lower limit. E raised to minus of s plus 1 into 2 divided by minus of s plus 1. The minus of minus plus e raised to 0 divided by s plus 1, right? So simplify e raised to 0 is 1, then multiply, simplify, you get that is the answer, right? So e raised to minus of 2s into e raised to minus 2, 1 divided by, it is this. Then just in simplification reverse that is the answer. Hence it proved. The third example you solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This completes examples on periodic function. ನಾಳೆಗೆ Laplace transform of derivative. Thank you.